In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 0x8024a22d. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the solutions. The first step that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? At day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At day settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and find for an option called System. Click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for troubleshoot. Next is you need to proceed to other troubleshooters. Another the most frequent run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Click on run and wait until the procedure would be finished. Once you have completed it successfully, you need to update your computer again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is you need to use your keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button to continue. Once you have opened the services, you need to select the service here and then type W in your keyboard so that you would be navigated to the service which has an initial for letter W. Here, please scroll down and navigate for Windows Update. Okay. Once you have find it, make a right click, click on Properties, set it into Automatic, and then start the service. Once you have start this one, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then you need to close this window. Okay. And then this time you need to reset the Windows components. So I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description. This is a pretty long code. Please paste it here at the notepad. Then click on the file here. Go with saved as. And then from that, you need to proceed to this location where here it will ask you to rename the file. Please rename it. So in my case, I'll be renaming it into fix update. Once you have put a name on it, please add an extension for .bat, full stop .bat. Once done, please proceed to the desktop as your location. Click on saved and then close the window. And from that, you need to proceed to the fix update.bat. Make a right click here. And from that, you need to click on run as administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. Okay, so you need to wait until this procedure would be finished. This will take some time definitely, but please be patient. Wait until this would be finished. And once you have done it, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? So that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon or turn it on so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.